Hi, I'm Doug Vernon with the Plants for Human Health Institute. You know, when teachers leave for school in the summer, they give a little attention to their classroom before doing so. In the same way, the school garden classroom needs some attention too. There's two options we recommend for what to do with the school garden before leaving in the summer. One is to plant sweet potatoes, and the other is to tarp the bed. In this video, we're going to demonstrate tarping the bed so that when you come back in the fall, you don't have a lot of weeds growing that you have to clean up before you plant your garden bed. Then, if you prefer though to plant sweet potatoes, you can, and want to learn more about that, you can find a link in the description below that will help you with that. So this simple step of tarping a bed is going to make life so much easier for you when you plant your fall garden. Hit the subscribe button so that you can continue to get all of our STEM to Go videos that will help you create spaces like this for teaching outdoors.